Hey, in today's video training, you're going to learn how to avoid content ID claims when you use music in your Canva designs to upload to YouTube. Content creators, this one is for you. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Is this your first video that you are watching here on our channel? I highly encourage you to go and also watch our channel trailer so that way you can see how you will benefit from being a subscriber. Then subscribe and be sure to share with a friend. And we're back. And I know many of you may be wondering how to use music in your YouTube shorts or YouTube videos without getting hit with a copyright claim. Well, let me tell you, Canva has a feature that gives you a one design music license when you connect your social accounts. What does that mean? Well, it means each time you use the design in a new video, all you have to do is export it as a new design and you're going to avoid that content ID claim. Hey, thank you, Canva. Let me show you how. Let me show you how you can create a design. It's super easy. I am going to demonstrate this using a Instagram story design. And what we are going to do is we are going to add a video and we are going to add some music to our video. This is to show you how you can connect your social accounts and get that one licensed media design for your music, right? So here we go. We have some templates here. I am going to type in, you know what? Actually, let me go to elements. Then I'm going to type in nature. Then I'm going to click here on videos. And I'm going to use this button here to filter because I only want vertical because I'm creating a YouTube short. And I am just looking for a video of nature. Let's see, one that catches my eye. It's almost winter. It's getting cold. I think I'll use this one. All right, so next what I did was just right click my mouse on the video and I'm going to set the video as a background. So now the video takes up the entire Instagram story design. And what we are going to do is now click on elements again, but this time we're going to type in, let's type in nature again and look for some music. So look, I typed in nature in the search bar. Now I'm clicking on audio because I'm looking for some different sounds of nature to add to our video here. Let's see. Let's just see what this sounds like. I'm not sure I like that one. Can't say I like that one either. We look like we're in the forest. Let's see what this one sounds like. This look, I don't know, y'all. See, this is why when I create designs, it takes me a minute because I'm trying to find the sounds and the look that I'm going for. But let's just go for it. You belong here. I like that title. So we'll let that be our music that we add here to our design. So now that we have that, the next thing I am going to do is I am going to turn down the volume because I don't want the music to be overpowering. So we'll turn it down to about 50. And now that we have that here, if you wanted to add any additional elements to your design, feel free to do so. We're going to keep this super simple. The only thing I'm going to add here is just a text that says how to avoid content ID claims. video example. I'm just going to add that there and make the text a little bigger. And we're going to, there we go, situate it up there. Can't really see it, so let's see. I might add a background so that way we can at least see it, and change the background color to, let's see, let's change it to white. There we go. All right, so super simple design, how to avoid your content ID claims. This is a video example. We have our video here now, as well as we have our music, and the music is 50 seconds long. When you create YouTube shorts, you do have to keep it right there at a minute, under a minute. I don't need this video to be that long, so I'm just gonna make it about 15 seconds. And I think that would be a good length for this video example. And next, here is where you can access your One Design music license for this Canva design that we have just created. So what you will do is click here in the upper right hand corner on share, and then you will click on download. And Canva already detects for you, if you read here, it says connect your social accounts. By connecting your social account, you can use a One Design Use music license, which will be registered on your accounts. Anytime you want to use this video again and another video that you have, just export it as a new design. And guess what? You will avoid a content ID claim. So it's really as simple as that. Connect your social accounts. Here I have my YouTube account, Agents of Grace Network. I click on that. It's asking me to log in. I'm already logged in, so all I have to do is just approve it. And guess what? Now, when I get ready to, and you go through all of the steps, you confirm, you allow Canva to access your Google account. I clicked allow, and now the next step is simply to download. And it tells me in green that I have the One Use Media License design to use this video and upload it to YouTube without getting a copyright claim, simply because I connected my social account to Canva. And that is it. Now all I have to do is go to YouTube, upload the video, and I am good, right? No copyright, no content ID claims will hit this video. If you have questions, feel free to drop that in the chat, but that's it. That is how you can avoid content ID claims when you create a design and add music. And that's it. If you have a question about anything shared in today's video training, drop it in the comments below, and a member of our team will be sure to respond to you. Be sure to like this video and to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about choosing, setting up, and maintaining your business and ministry digital tools. Thank you for watching. Take care.